What's going on, guys? It's Trey Carmichael, founder of the Virtually Limitless entrepreneur community and host of the Virtually Limitless podcast. And I just wanted to jump on here and give a shout out to the guys over at Outsource School for the podcast outreach formula. I've been getting on podcasts for a while, and I hadn't really put it down into a system yet, which systems are my thing, so usually that's kind of what I do. But I hadn't got around to systemizing this yet, and I'd been jumping on podcasts pretty mindlessly. And going through their course, I've got it down to a science. I'm going to be jumping onto a lot more shows, and I've already passed the tasks on to my virtual assistant, so that's going to make my life a whole lot easier. So thank you, guys. Thank you for putting that together. It's worth way more than anything y'all will probably ever charge for it, because if you actually get on podcasts and do them well, you really see a massive return in your brand, because that is earned media. Earned media builds trust. When your prospects trust you, they give you their money.